So we're about to leave to go to Tyson's Beauty. Or I mean, I have hair. I'm not bald, but like I don't have any hair on right now. But we're about to go to the beauty supply store here, try out new colors. Be weird. Okay, we finna drive to Tyson's Beauty Supply store where we gonna try on wig. Y'all even see me? Okay, we're at Tyson's beauty salon. Beauty store. So we going into the wig section. I hope you guys can see me because I was videotaping earlier and I look back on it, nobody can see me. This part here, I would get rid of this part right here if it was up to me. This is Natural V-Lace Water Wave. I think she's a little too much for me. Like, I like it, but I think she's too much for me. I like it. I like it too, but I have to cut it to shape because it's at this awkward length. Like, I would cut it here. It's off. But just in case y'all want to look at her, there she go. It's a human hair blend. I believe it. I believe it. The lace is hard. It's really hard, and it's cutting my face. Ow! It's okay. Oh, okay. Hey, so we finna try on this wig because I want a curly wig. That's her all around. Let me see. I'm like, do I just go solid or? Like, I know it looks ridiculous, but I mean, look how they move. Here's the wig here. Sus. I'm feeling these curls. I just gotta shape her. It would be really nice, but I don't like straight hair. I honestly don't. I don't like straight hair unless it's short. Like that. Camo goddess. My mates? Camo goddess. No, I'm playing. So here's the back. But she is matching she's giving me camo vibes. Like, I'm actually loving this color because she is really giving me camo vibe. Like, and I love camo with all my soul. Like, that's my obsession. Bruh. I tried. But I'd probably always wear her up like this. Okay, here's the Claire. Choose the buy one, you get one free section. Last time I came here, I did get something out of the buy one, get one free. There are a lot of short wigs going on right now. Oh my, yo, look at me. What I look like. I don't even look like from this century. Oh. I really just wanted to try a really blonde wig for some reason. Tell me why this wig is glowing and I'm just like the shadow. Oh, here. Bruh. But we not good. Ooh, okay, I'm taking it off now. Now let me tell y'all some history. Now I'm inserting pictures right here. I will always wear red hair. I always have red hair. I have red short hair. I have red long hair. I have just always, well, I should say burgundy, but it's basically red. Ooh. Oh my lord. This is definitely This is, oh, ow. Oh, something in the back is cutting me. Oh, ooh. This is why I hate combs. I used to love combs back in the good old days. Hate them now. She looks like something I would wear. Like, shoot, I might change my mind. I might wear this for my birthday. How long
She just went to Snapchat maybe like 2-3 years ago. Really? Yeah, and I think it's because of her and Kevin. They didn't trust each other at the time.
Yeah, I like her. Like, she's red. Y'all know I like red hair. Or now y'all know I like red hair. I like red long hair. She's wavy. I like this. She's versatile. This is who she is. We're my badass. And dark red always match with my camo. Oh, y'all, I forgot to say, if y'all subscribe, y'all automatically become my son. Like, for real. This is one of my sons. I have like 10 sons. Plus, counting. So become my son. For real, like, become my son. Yes, welcome to the motherhood. Welcome to the universe. Become my son. Like, if you're not my son, who are you? But then if I put it down here, I'm looking like, what I'm looking like, bro. He's not rubber. It's not worth rushing. Oh, that's this rule breaker, y'all. You said you like 44 now. Turn around and stuff. Look at that bounce, y'all. Y'all. My sons. See, I hate curly hair parts. I do not like the parts. I do not like how it's straight. So we're just gonna finger tweeze that real quick. Pretend that I cut this into bangs. When I really just curled it up. She shaped me good. Oh my god, girl. Hello, my friends. We are here again at the beauty salon. Goodbye. It's time to hibernate. The hair is really pretty. You too long. Here we go. Does it look good? I like it. Okay. It's got a little bit.
You deserve nothing but all the finer things.
So when there.
He's round all the way around. My shoes.
My shoes now.
Clear them up.
Hold on.